Before you begin, please make sure your canopy garage door is in the closed position. First, remove the latches from the top of the door by unscrewing the 10mm hex head screws. Then, remove the 2 locking rods. Next, lock off the grub screws on the left-hand side on the torsion spring. This locks the spring in a safe position to adjust the tension on the spring. Using the tension bars to hold the spring in place, use an Allen key to undo the grub screws. Then, apply 2 more turns to the torsion spring using the tensioning bars. After tension is applied, retighten the grub screws on the right-hand side of the spring. Undo the grub screw on the left-hand side of the spring, enabling the spring force to open the door. The next step is to make sure that the door opens fully to the stop position under spring tension alone. Disengage both end stop springs as shown. Now, apply the mounting plate for the boom to the top of the frame. Then attach the boom to the mounting plate and suspend the boom as per the instruction booklet. Take the activating arm bracket and screw it into the top of the door using 4 10mm hex head screws. Assemble the activating arm as shown in the instructions. Push the rear guide wheel up into the bottom track and attach the activating arm to the slide carriage by inserting a pin and spring clip through the mounting point on the slide carriage. Finally, attach the activating arm to the bracket at the top of the door using a pin and spring clip. With the activating arm in place, determine the open and closed end travel position of the door by adjusting the end stops. Next, undo the 4 screws and remove the outer cover on the operator unit. Locate the printed circuit board and turn the dip switch marked C to the on position. Then turn the adjuster marked P2 clockwise to maximum. Replace the cover on the operator unit. Then complete the learn cycle on the operator to set the limits on the door. Thank you.